Hello, welcome to Soup, Salads and some more. Today I am again in the some more section. I am going to make a very quick dal which is mixed kind of four different kind of dals I have taken, that is pulses, mixed together and pressure cook it, and very fast in a jiffy you can do this. It will go along with your boiled rice or even as a bowl of soup you can take it. So these all are the ingredients for the quick dal. I've taken four different kinds of dal. This is called Bengal gram. Taken each 2 tablespoons, but this takes a little longer time, so I just soaked it in 3 tablespoons of water. Now I will wash it again before I pressure cook it. This is called green gram. It's a very tiny one. This is called tur dal. And this is white urad dal. This doesn't take much time, and even the green gram, but these two takes little longer. So when I'm going to cook all together, it's better to soak these two just for 15 to 20 minutes in 3 or 4 tablespoons of water. So that's it now. With that, it will be turmeric will be added to that. Salt I will not add while pressure cooking, but later. And the clarified butter is there, which will be seasoning it at the end. Lemon juice will be added at the end. For the seasoning, only a teaspoon of cumin seed will go. While cooking all these dal together, I'm going to add 6 or 7 cloves of garlic there, 1 big piece of ginger, 2 green chilies. You can increase the chilies if you want more spicy, and 1 medium-sized onion. All will be chopped, added to this dal and pressure cooked. Along the coriander leaf goes in the dal at the end. Here I have cut the onion like a crescent shape, separated everything. 2 chilies were cut into half and slit lengthwise. Ginger was made juliennes and garlic as well. Now wash the dal nicely. I'm going to put it in my bowl. Adding 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Later we can adjust if you want more. My pressure cooker is ready. I am adding this onion which is cut with the dal. Here goes the ginger and chili. Adding garlic. One teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a good stir. I'm not adding salt now because sometimes with the salt dal might not cook properly. So here it is ready to go inside my pressure cooker. Closing it. Give at least 2 to 3 whistles. When the pressure builds up, we'll put the weight on it and we will wait for 3 whistles. Later simmer for 2-3 minutes and switch off till the pressure releases, and then we will check our dal. Let us check our dal is ready or not. It's very nicely cooked. All have come together. You can see the chilies, garlic, ginger and the onion all have come together. Now my pan is getting ready. Here I'm going to add the clarified butter. Melted. 1 teaspoon of cumin seed goes in. We have no spices apart of green chili. And very simple and tasty dal it is. And very simple and tasty dal it is. I'm going to pour this dal very carefully. This the time you want to adjust the texture or the liquidiness of the dal. If you want thicker, you can just leave it like this, or you can add little half a cup of water. Try to add only the boiling water or the hot water. Because when you take this with rice, you might need it little liquidy. And now goes salt. Just 1 or 2 boil, and that's it. Dal is ready. Only I have to add the lemon juice in it. That I will add only once I switch off the flame. That's it. I'm switching off the flame now. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Give a good stir. And just top it with some coriander leaves. The dal is ready to serve. So here it is, hot and no spices. Quick mixed dal is ready to serve. Please do try it and leave a comment. Till I come back, TTFL.